Hey, it's Dino here from Gardeners HQ. Let's take a look at how to grow the paperbark maple. This tree makes a striking addition to any garden. Known scientifically as Acer griseum, it's celebrated for its unique cinnamon-coloured bark that peels in thin sheets. This Chinese native tree grows gracefully to 35 feet over about 2 decades, making it suitable for smaller spaces. The leaves are soft blue-green in summer, transforming to a dazzling vivid red in autumn. Thriving in USDA zones 4 to 8 and rated H5 for hardiness by the RHS, it prefers full sun to partial shade and a moist, well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Initially, keep the roots moist, especially for the first 3 growing seasons. Mature trees are much more drought tolerant. This species is now endangered in its native China. It was introduced to the West in the early 20th century. Its cultivation outside of its native habitat, a practice known as ex-situ conservation, is crucial for its survival. For gardeners, the paperbark maple is not just a beautiful tree, it's a living piece of botanical history and conservation. It provides a blend of visual appeal and environmental significance, making it an exceptional addition to diverse gardens.